Hello sewing people, and welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how to wind a bobbin on a vintage Singer 1591. This one's made in Canada. You can put your spool of thread on top of this caddy right on top of your machine if you want to, or you can sit it down here, or you can put it on a bobbin caddy like that. Whatever you want to do to get it started. So anyway, then to get your bobbin, the correct bobbin. These of course take a 15, and there's several different styles in the 15, so you have to get the right one for it to fit on there and go into your machine. So I lost my thread. Okay, this is the bobbin right here, the 15 bobbin. It already has a little bit of thread on it. I'm going to piggyback it. Then you're going to stick a piece of thread, a strand rather, and just kind of hold on to it and get it started a little bit. Well, if you can't get it through there, then you can stick your finger on it and hold it that way and get it started a little bit, just so it won't come flying off. Then you'll stick it on the thread caddy, bring it down, and these little things down here are meant to run your thread through there and hold it kind of snug. You can do it that way, that's no problem, but I like to hold on to my thread. Seems like I can guide it a little better. I may not have this disengaged quite enough. Let me see if I can get it through here and run it that way. I'm pulling it too tight. Oops. That can easily happen. Now as you're getting your thread started, you can see which way it's going on the bobbin to know which way to put it on here. Now I have a tendency to wind it too fast, so I'm going to try to slow down a little bit. But you do want to get your thread on there kind of steady and even. There, now it's catching up good. And when it gets full, it will automatically stop. A lot of times I go ahead and stop it myself. But right down here is what I was talking about. Looping your thread through here. And then your your thread will be over here, and I think you need to kind of hold on to your thread. Unless you go maybe kind of slow, you'll get the hang of it. I'm trying to do this and stay out of the way of the camera, and that makes it a little bit more difficult to try to do. But you'll get the hang of it. Like I said, it's several different ways that you can wind your bobbins up. You can use another bobbin to fill up another bobbin. So anyway, but after you do that, remember to tighten up your wheel again, and you'll be ready to sew again. So I hope that helped you out on winding a bobbin on a Singer or any 1591 or just about any vintage machine. It works very similar to this. So I hope it helped you out. Thanks for watching. Bye now.